Heading outdoors. Go measure some snow. I know there's a lot of it out there. This is what it's like out in New England. We're going in. We are going in. Oh, we're going out. Either we're going in or we're going out. Now let's get some depth. Right here. $18.5. Check it. Check it, check it. $16 inches there. And about 6 inches there. Let's see if we can get out further, huh? Look at this snow drift. Oh my God. That's 20 inches there. So my estimate's going to be pretty much on the high side. And that's 19 inches. Snowland, New England. 2013 blizzard. It's not over yet, it's still snowing, folks. We'll let you know when it's over.